pumpkin trays. We're going to try something a little bit different today with these pumpkin trays from the Dollar Tree. And let's jump right in. I'm Vicki with the Purple Penguin Craft Room. Come on in. So first, they just say plastic tray on them. So we're just going to go ahead and take that off because we don't need that. Obviously, these were meant to be upside down. I like the fact that it's got the veining in them. But we're going to take our two pieces. We're going to try something different. I'm going to try with some foam clay. So I've kind of worked together my foam clay. This is air dry foam clay. It's kind of an orangey color. Doesn't really matter because I'm going to end up probably painting it anyways. But we're going to try this with tacky glue. We're going to take our tray and I'm going to try and do the glue all around the outside here. Okay. So I've got the glue all the way around the outside there. I'm just going to take our clay and I just want a small amount . Okay, now that I've got the clay all the way around that, we're going to glue all around this one. All right. Make sure they kind of go together a little bit here. We're just going to take the leftover clay and smooth it out. Okay, while we're letting that set up, I did go ahead and I taped it to try and help hold that together. And I put some more clay here at the bottom, and that's going to be to help hold our base up, right? So right now it's still in the process of drying and whatnot, so we'll just kind of leave that alone. I'm going to take some brown. This is brown foam dry clay, foam air dry clay, and we're going to do a stem. So again, I just kind of want to cover this. Go. We'll let that dry up to the side here. Meanwhile, let's take our base, and this is a little over 7 1/4 inch base I cut myself, and we're just going to take our Waverly Antique Wax and go ahead and give it a stain. Okay, so we've got that stained, and we'll just put our piece, we'll go right like that. Alright, so we've got the air dry clay down here that's drying. We had the air dry clay up here, it's just kind of drying. It's pretty much dry for the most part. We connected our two pieces, so it's got a front and back. Now let's go ahead and paint it. Well, I want to paint it, and since this is like a plastic, we're just going to use the Waverly chalk paint. This is called Pumpkin, so it's an orange color, and then we're just going to be extra careful. Okay, so now the pumpkin now has his lines on him. Let's do something similar to the top. It's already the brown. We're gonna bring in our bark brown. This is the bark brown. And we'll do something very similar. To kind of just give it some highlights. Okay, so we've got the brown now painted too. Let's go ahead and focus around the bottom. We're gonna go ahead with just some Spanish moss. Gonna hide our mechanics down here. At some point we may need to give it a haircut, but we're going to leave that for now. Got some of these are paper covered wires, or this is cloth stem wire. This is from Walmart. We're just going to take something around to make our little, I believe they're called tendrils for the pumpkin. And it actually has a hole right here. We're going to stick these in. Leaves on this. I kind of want to put some leaves on it. Got these nice looking ones here. We're going to take some raffia here, and I just have a bunch of it, and we're just going to wrap it up. Then we're going to take it and we're going to cut the loops. We're going to cut the loops on it so it's kind of wild and crazy here. Kind of like the look of that. Then we're going to put a little sunflower there in the middle. Then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Alright, now we're all done. We've got both sides have the same identical, they have leaves, they have the same raffia with the little accent flower in there. Keep on coming back for more at the Purple Penguin Craft Room, and happy crafting.